No matter what kind of skin you have, you need to stay hydrated. Hyaluronic acid and other ingredients are thought to be important for moisturizing the skin, and a good moisturizer with this specific ingredient will strengthen your skin's barrier. To make your search easy, we've rounded up the 5 best hyaluronic acid creams. So without wasting time anymore, let's check out the video.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream from COSRX is a nourishing moisturizer formulated especially for dry or dehydrated skin. By retaining moisture in the skin, this cream will keep your skin hydrated. This hydrating cream is infused with the goodness of hippophae rhamnoids water and hyaluronic acid, and it leaves the skin feeling like clouds and offers long-lasting hydration without feeling heavy or oily. This cream will plump up skin while supplying intense moisture to your skin and giving it a younger look than before. From dry to sensitive, acne-prone skin, this cream is safe for any kind of skin. Users gave many positive feedbacks for its effectiveness on oily and acne-prone skin, but there are some critics too. The amount of the cream was not satisfactory to some users. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We really appreciated the formula and affordability of this product, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. Using the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley will give you instantly glowing and dewy skin. This lightweight oil-free cream is easily absorbed by the skin to give you a radiant appearance. This gel cream contains 2 forms of advanced hyaluronic acid that can easily draw water into the dewy skin with a glowing complexion. With gently refining papaya enzymes, you can give your dull or dehydrated skin a velvety soft complexion. It also contains alpha-arbutin to brighten blemishes for a more radiant appearance. Though this cream is very effective for brightening, it's free from any kind of cruelty, sulfate, paraben, and fragrance, and that makes it a certified vegan cream. Users praised it for its effectiveness in brightening their skin. However, some found it a bit pricey compared to the quantity. We'll check the ratings now. It gets 5 stars for quality and value, but the cream is quite overpriced, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. Are you looking for a moisturizer that can be applied to both the face and hands and will also provide anti-aging benefits? Then look no further. This Advanced Clinical's Hyaluronic Acid Cream locks in moisture for clearer, younger-looking skin. This cream comes with the goodness of hyaluronic acid. It is enriched with borage oil, squalene, and vitamin E and has rejuvenating properties to transform your complexion. You can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by increasing the water retention in your skin. The dermatologist and allergy-tested cream won't irritate your skin at all. To get a flawless glow on your skin, apply it onto your cleansed face, neck, and body. Users find it very useful for dry skin. Many of them appreciated it for treating fine lines and anti-aging properly. However, some users claim that the product didn't work for them. Moving on to the ratings. We give this cream 5 out of 5 stars in total for its efficiency, value, and affordability. Get soaked in a Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer that feels soft and weightless like clouds in the sky. This cream contains 3 kinds of hyaluronic acid, which is a potent hydrator that draws moisture into the skin. Moisture plumps up the appearance of skin. Even after cleansing, its pentavitin provides up to 72 hours of hydration. Derivative of hydrolyzed silk in this cream helps skin feel silky, smooth, and soft. With Pro Hyal Plus, you can achieve a healthier, smoother complexion. With decreased fine lines and wrinkles, your skin will look silky, hydrated, and youthful. According to reviews, this cream is a wonderful product that treats dry skin issues quite well. Also, users are pleased with this moisturizer. But besides all the positive feedback, some users complain of facing breakouts. As for its rating, it gets 5 out of 5 stars for both efficiency and value, but when it comes to price, we'll give it 4 stars only. Users around the world prefer the immensely popular Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream for its unique formula and overall benefits. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid, a natural hydrator found in the skin that helps to lock moisture in. With this unique gel cream formula, your skin will absorb quickly but still get the long-lasting moisture of cream. It soothes intense dryness and helps restore the skin's natural barrier against moisture loss. No pores will be blocked by this cream, which contains a non-comedogenic formula. This dermatologist-recommended cream is oil-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. Moreover, it can be worn alone or under makeup. So boost your daily self-care routine with this hydrating gel cream. Users have given it high ratings and recognition, which makes it stand out in comparison to other products. It works great on dry and sensitive skin and keeps skin moisturized for a long time. But aside from all the praise, some users experienced breakouts after using this product. Let's rate this product now. We love the formula and affordability of this moisturizer, so we'll give it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. So that was all about the 5 best hyaluronic acid creams. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.